to our channel.
Hello. Hi guys.
Hi.
What are you going to be doing today?
We're going to be making a volcano.
Wow. Sticking. Sticking. So, what do you need to make a volcano?
We need clay, vinegar, baking powder, and red food colouring.
Let's get making.
Yeah! Squish. I'm gonna put the pot of vinegar inside the volcano. What I'm gonna do is pour the baking soda into the vinegar. But not yet. I'm gonna keep building it until it's really big. No, this is awful. Don't put it in. Don't put it in.
Wow, that looks just like a volcano.
And it does hump face. Now I like to go. And some red food colouring into the volcano. Okay. I'm going to pour the baking soda into the volcano. What's going to happen?
That's real lava. That's the real lava.
It's hot. Just kidding.
Wow! That was amazing!
More. Yeah, more. You want to do it again? More.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. Ah! Again. No more. Yay! Look at my finger. Break it. Oh, my hands are getting messed. Chocolate!
Chocolate hands.
The stuff that comes out of volcanoes is called lava.
Cheeks. Clap. Feet are skin.
When a volcano explodes, it's called an eruption.
An eruption? I didn't know that.
If you did.
Ow.
Play. Wait. Did you know there's a volcano Mars and it's called Olympus Mons?
A volcano on Mars? I didn't know that.
Yes, you did! You know everything, Humphrey.
I don't know everything.
Yes, you do!
Oh, yes I do.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
No Humphrey. No Humphrey. No.
Bye.
camera.
Eat it.
Don't eat the camera.
Thanks for watching. Bye.